Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andre, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hit that notification button, subscribe to my channel, because on this channel, I always talk about topics and ways how you can grow your business online, how to make money, entrepreneurship, and all that kind of stuff. So, as you can see, I'm actually sitting outside right now because my baby, which is Jackson, he's inside and he's going off, he's running around. I was like, all right, let me just quickly step outside and just create a video for you guys so this could help. And if you're always here, welcome back. Happy to have you here. So in this video, if you're on Clickbank and you want to know how to make more money, I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tools that you can use to grow and scale your money on Clickbank. So if you're on Clickbank, stick around for this. All right. So first of all, with Clickbank, everybody know, even if you don't know, you could sign up for Clickbank for free. Now, Clickbank is a place that has different products, different services. So if, let's say, you're in the weight loss niche, or in you're in biz op niche, or you're in let's say relationship niche, and all that kind of stuff, there is a lot of things that you can use to grow and scale your business, right? So when you're on Clickbank, right, you start to search for the products and the different services that you want to use as a person, because you're on Clickbank site. So you gotta have to pick the ones that can make you the most money. Now, it's not all about that, right? Where you just pick a product and you just go out there and you just start advertising. You have to do a little bit of research. You got to think about exactly what type of products that you want to serve. Where do you want to place them, right? So how to make more money with Clickbank, you basically have to, a lot of people don't use a capture page, such as like a capture page. A capture page is you capturing someone's email, and then when you receive that email, it then goes into an autoresponder. Now, the autoresponder is going to do a follow-up sequence with that customer, with that client. And the way how most people do it is they grab their link and they start to advertise. Yeah, they put it on blogs, and they use either Facebook, or they use YouTube, or they want to use other social media platforms. Now, if you really want to make way more money with Clickbank, now you want to have tools to use to scale you to the next business. For example, if let's say you have a blog and you write a blog and you give your unbiased review on, let's say, a weight loss product, right? You give your honest bias review on weight loss. So you start to write about them, and people start reading your blog and stuff. Yeah, you're gonna want to have traffic going to your blog. Now, what if someone go to their blog, to your blog, I should say, go to your blog, decide to check out this weight loss product that you were talking about, right? They click on it, they start to read upon it, and just like me, maybe Jackson or my wife just called me, and I said, you know what? Okay, let me put my phone down. Now let me close out of that what I was reading, right? So that person actually closed out of it. So when they close out of it and then they go to do whatever they're doing, maybe they're catching an Uber or they getting off the bus or whatever, and then they close out of that thing, what are you going to do to follow up with that person? So that's why it's good to always have what we call a sales funnel. Now, a sales funnel is you capturing information of a customer, right? It could be a name, it could be an email or whatsoever. Then what you're going to do, you're going to follow up with that person. It's not like that person didn't want to buy at the time. Some people buy after the first 5, 6, or even the 7 contact, right? So you have to have system in place, and there's different autoresponders out there. There's GetResponse, there's Aweber, there's MailChimp, there's SendLane. There's so many different autoresponders. Now, when you create a capture page or whatever it is to collect the information from that person who decide to sign up for your newsletter and all that kind of stuff, then you could send out reminders and emails, follow-up for that person. And that's where the money comes in. That's how you make more money in Clickbank. You have to have some form of follow-up sequence, something to keep reminding them, hey, this is a product, this is a service. Do you want to take part in what we're doing? Hey, would you like that weight loss product? Would you like to see? And over time, people are going to buy it. So if you really want to scale your business to the next level, and if you really want to make way more money on Clickbank, you got to have tools. Capture page is one, autoresponders is one. And even some of the Clickbank products that I see online, they have like emails that are already done for you. So if you don't know how to write emails yourself, why not just put those into your autoresponder, right? Put those in your autoresponder. So if someone is checking out your weight loss product or your digital marketing product and all that kind of stuff, that's what you want to do. So I hope this helped, guys. I didn't want to make this too long. This is just a quick video. And if you like it, feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. Share it with others. And I hope that this video can relate to each and every one of you who really want to make way more money on Clickbank using tools and softwares to grow your business. All right. So my name is Andre. Thanks for watching. And remember, I have tons of videos that give you more into details and that kind of stuff. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Peace.